Today we'll learn about soft link and hard link in Linux shell scripting. So first, make the agenda for today. Linux soft link and hard link. I'll explain everything, but before going to explain, I'm telling about the soft link as well as the hard link in a nutshell. Soft link basically, it's a basically copy request. And if I'm talking about the hard link, it is basically move from one path to another path. One path to another path. So first I am checking the present working directory. Now I am creating the one file like touch test 5. I have created one file cat test 5. No content is there on the test 5. Okay, I have given gap between test and 5. So first delete it. rm-f test 5. Then create the one file. A test 5 is also there. So delete that 5 as well. rm-f test 5. So then create one test file. So let's just check one second. ls-lrt test 5. Yeah, no file is given on the test 5. So first let's create one file. Let test touch test 5. So file is created. Let's check it. ls-lrt test 5. Yes, file is created with 0 byte. Okay. It is a 0 byte basically. 0. That means the size of the file. 0 byte. Let's create some more files. Touch test 6, touch test 7, touch test 8. I'll explain everything why I have created the so many test files. Okay. So first, check the content of both the files, like the ls-lrt. I have just checked the test 6 file. Again, it is a 0 byte file. That means there no content in the test 6 on that file. And that's why the size of the file is 0 byte. Okay. Now, to find out the link basically the inode number. I'm repeating my sentence. Link basically the inode number. Now, to check the inode number, what you will use? You will use ls minus li. Then the file name. Suppose test 5. So here 275 is the inode number. Let's check it for the test 6 file. ls minus li test 6. Here inode number is 276. Just look one thing. Both the file is 0 byte file, but both the file is the same directory, but the inode number is different for both the files. Okay. Now check the another thing. ls minus li test 7. Here it is inode number is 277. Okay. Now what I am doing, I am putting something on the test 5 file using the vi editor, like vi. First I am showing the what are the content on the test 5 file. Cat test 5. No content is there. That's why the cursor comes to the next position. Now put something on the test 5 file. vi test 5. I am using the vi editor. Then I am inserting something. Let's Animesh Sarkar. I am putting my name. In the second line, I am putting today we are doing tutorial regarding link on Linux. Just I am putting these 2 lines. Now escape. I am saving it. I have mentioned all those things in my previous videos. How to do VI edit, all those things. Okay. So now let's check the content of the file. That means the content of the test5 file. So cat test5. These 2 lines which I wrote on that file. Those 2 lines are displaying. Okay. Now you are copy test5. Now you are copying the content of the test5 file to the test6 file. Test6. Now let's check the test6 file content. Test6. The same thing is appearing on the test6, which you wrote on the test5 file. Okay. Now let's check the inode number. ls minus li test5. For test5 inode number is 286. ls minus li test6 inode number is 276. Okay. So both the files have same content, but the inode number is different. So when you are going to copy something, that is known as the soft link. And in case of soft link, inode number will be different. Now I am showing regarding the hard link. In case of hard link, you are moving the content. That means you are going to rename. Okay. You are rename the test8. Now first I am showing the content of the test8 file. Cat test8. Cursor comes to the next position. That means the no content in the text8. Okay. I am checking with respect to the file size as well. ls minus lrt test8. Here the file size is 0 byte. Okay. Now I am moving. That means I am renaming. Okay. I am renaming the test. Before do that, I am just showing one thing again. ls minus li test6. That means the inode number of test6 is 276. Now look it very carefully. I am changing. That means I am renaming. Move test6 to test8. That means I want to transfer all the content from the test6 file to the test8 file. That means after doing that, test6 file will not exist. I'll show you all those things. Okay. Now let's check. ls minus lrt test6. Test6 file is not there. Now let's check the test8 file. ls minus lrt test8. Test8 file, initially test8 file is 0 byte, but now test8 file is 60 byte. That means something in the test8 file. Let's check it. Test8. That is the same thing which was in test6 file. That content now is in test8 file. Okay. Now let's check the inode number of test8. Remember, here we are doing the hard link. That means the move from one folder to another folder. The content. Okay, let's check it. ls minus li. Initially, the inode number of test6 was 276. Okay, now let's check for test8. Test8. Inode number is 276. That means initially it was 276 for the test6 file. And for test8 file, it is also the 276. That means in case of hard link, inode number is not changed. So I am writing it here. Inode number will change, but here inode number will not change. Okay. This is all about for today's video. Thank you.